Hi, everybody. Andrew McGrath from your Brandon Academic Success Center here with another video in our series to help you get the most out of our online services. Okay, so in previous videos, we talked about how to make an account, how to make an appointment, and how to enter a tutoring session. This video is specifically designed to talk about mobile devices. So our system is available on mobile devices. As you can see, I have my iOS device here. And it's very, very similar to using a mouse and keyboard. So as you can see, I have entered my credentials already. And now if I wanted to, I could touch the schedule that I wanted to make an appointment for. So I could touch Biz and Tech and I could get that schedule, and I could touch STEM and get that schedule. So let's make a communications appointment. I'm going to go ahead and touch that. And then I'm going to touch log in. And here, very, very similar to the mouse and keyboard experience. Let's say I want to make an appointment. I want to make an appointment with our Spanish tutor, CJ. Let's say I want to do that at 4 o'clock. So I'm just going to touch the box corresponding to CJ, 4 o'clock. And then our appointment window is going to pop up, and you can enter your appointment information. Again, we made a video on that. If you haven't seen it already, I would click create appointment. And then when it came time, I would click that box again in the schedule. And then I would touch join appointment. And all of our services are available through a mobile device, though your experience might vary. So please keep that in mind. Maybe have a computer ready in case it doesn't work out that well on the mobile experience. But in theory, you should be able to do anything that our point and click mouse and keyboard experience with the mobile. So please check out our other videos. If I went through making an appointment a little quickly or entering an appointment a little quickly, we have more detailed videos in this series. Thanks, everybody. Stay safe.